Hi guys, we just woke up because today we're going to a pool party. It's hard pool. And, that's Josie.
So we have been doing a few balloons like this. They're so tiny. This is tiny. This tiny. It's really hard to blow them.
So what you do is you have to blow hard. By the way, we got this from Aldi's. You can stretch it out. And then you will be putting a knot on these. So they don't get out. Right after that. So today we'll be doing something funny with these. So here I have the round balloon. Next will be a green one. And if you're not available to tie them, try to use 2 fingers or either one. It's easier too. And then you can spread your hands a little. Oh my god, this is fun. Sorry, because it's tiny balloons. Oh. There. Then I'm going to throw to Josie.
Oh, yeah.
And then she'll show you what we'll do with them.
So you will do this 8.
You put them in your butt.
No.
You can't even tie yours.
So one just flew away.
So it flew down there. And I have my 2 balloons right here. So we're starting something new.
No, this has a hole.
The red one means that there will be it will be everyone.
No.
What?
Oh yeah.
Everyone. The green one means there will only be one person.
No.
What?
It means there's only. It's only going to be a clip.
No, you didn't say that yesterday. You said this one was going to be with boys.
No, the blue one.
What's this one for?
This has a hole.
No, it's just because you're not holding up here. So I got my 2 same size balloons. Yeah, you have a hole in the bottom.
Okay.
So you can make little things like this. Make potatoes. Or we can put a twist.
The pink one is what only girls in this video.
I think this is, and here is a snowman. You can draw faces. Just show you one other one. This one is a bit bigger. These things are like this. So now I'll fudge. Damn it. Oh. Thing hurting my fingers real bad. Now it's just like that. And throw it out. I have a snowman.
And I have a regular pink balloon.
So, here's how the balloon is, and then here's how it turns out when you roll it. And then here is the same kind of balloon. And then there's another kind. Wait.
Yeah, this one has a hole.
And there's 3 balloons. So, if you want to take a picture of the fascinating witch of the latest such as number 2, the birds, you put the powder in the nose, so there's only the carcass. Water just for passing by. Can you sing that? Hey, if you want to take a picture of the green,
No. The killer had a kiss was just passing by. Oh, the laser of the
oh, the lady that looked in her didn't around a kiss. Well, they were just passing by. Oh, the lady put the powder on the noses of the girls and the got a kiss. Well, they were just passing by. Oh, the witches put the scintillating stitches in the britches of the boys. Put the powder on the noses of the girls when they're going to kiss. Well, it just passing by. Bye. Oh. Wait, I'm gonna bit the snowman in my mouth. One big one. Ah! 10 to 12. It's 7:59. It's locked. We have our stuff ready. They're sleeping. What?
What, Mom?
Well, bye guys. See you guys tomorrow. We love you. Everyone give us a shout out. Subscribers. We love you. Sabbath. Super Girls with Sabbath Productions. Your Taylor.